If you're looking to grow plants indoors with moderate sunlight, then Dracaenas are an excellent choice. They are beginner friendly, less dramatic, and can tolerate a little neglect. Just make sure you don't overwater them. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you how to grow healthy Dracaenas, the most popular varieties, and the biggest mistakes people make. But before bringing Dracaena home, pet owners should know that these plants are toxic to cats and dogs if ingested. So place them out of reach of curious pets. Now let's see some popular varieties. Dracaena marginata, with its thin arcing leaves and tree-like appearance. Dracaena fragrans, also known as corn plant, famous for its broad green leaves. Lemon lime Dracaena, loved for its bright yellow-green stripes. Dracaena Janet Craig, one of the best low-light indoor plants. Dracaena reflexa, Song of India, known for its attractive variegated foliage. There are many varieties and care requirements are similar for most of them. We will start with light requirements. The secret to beautiful Dracaenas is bright indirect light. Most varieties thrive near a bright window where they receive plenty of filtered light. While many Dracaenas can survive in low light, their growth becomes slower and variegated varieties may lose their vibrant colors. When growing indoors, keep them near a bright window, and outdoors, keep them in a shade with lots of bright indirect light. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, especially during summer, as it can scorch the leaves and create brown patches. Watering and soil. Now let's talk about the most important part. Watering. Always allow the top 25 to 30% of soil to dry before watering again. Dracaenas prefer slightly dry conditions and hate sitting in wet soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A combination of potting soil and perlite and some succulent mix is perfect. Also a mix of garden soil, coco peat and perlite or sand works well. If the soil stays wet for too long, root rot can develop, which is the number one killer for plants. Another interesting fact, Dracaenas can be sensitive to excess fluoride, chlorine, and salts in water. If you notice brown leaf tips despite proper care, try using filtered or rainwater. Fertilizer and common problems. Feed your Dracaena once every month during growing season with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Brown tips usually indicate low humidity, salt buildup, or inconsistent watering. Yellow leaves often suggest overwatering. If your plant becomes too tall or leggy, don't worry. Dracaenas respond extremely well to pruning. Simply cut the stem and new shoots will emerge below the cut, making the plant bushier than before. And here is a bonus tip. Those stem cuttings can easily be rooted in water or soil to create new plants for free. Hope you like the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.